Welcome back, guys. So in today's episode of Python, I am going to be showing you how to hash a password. Now, hashing passwords is a crucial practice in programming to ensure security. Now, here are some few reasons why we hash passwords in programming language. Now, the first is protect user data. Storing plain text passwords in a database is highly insecure. If the database is breached, all users' passwords are immediately exposed. Now, the second reason is to prevent reuse. Users often reuse passwords across multiple services. Now, hashing ensures that a compromised password on one system does not automatically expose the password for other systems, especially if different hashing algorithms or sorts are used. Now, the third reason is one-way function. Hashing is a one-way process, meaning you can't derive the original password from its hash. This provides extra security, as even developers or administrators can't see users' raw password. Now, the next is that it mitigates brute force attacks. With the use of techniques like sorting and slow hashing algorithms such as bcrypt, which we are going to be using shortly, password hashing helps mitigate brute force or dictionary attacks, making it computationally expensive for attackers to guess passwords. Now, these are just the few reasons why we hash passwords. So let's just go ahead and hash our password. So the first thing we need to do is just to install the hashlib and the bcrypt library. So just go to your terminal and run this command: pip install hashlib. So we are making use of the hashlib library, and the algorithm we are going to be using is the bcrypt algorithm. So just go ahead and type this command, but I am going to delete this because I've already installed the hashlib library on my machine. So the next thing is to import the library. So I will just write from hashlib.context. Then I'm going to be importing crypto context. So let's just go ahead and create an instance of this crypto content. So I will name it password hash, then equal to, then crypto context. Then I'll pass the following arguments: schemes. Now the scheme would be bcrypt, then deprecated, should be equal to author. Sorry, that should be a string, author. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to define a function. So that function, I'm gonna name it hash underscore password. So now the now it is going to receive data. Now that data will be the type string. So it will receive a data, then it is going to hash it, and it is going to return the hashed version of the password. So I'm calling the return statement. So I'm gonna be returning the following: the instance, then I'll call the hash function, then I'm passing the data. So it is going to hash this data, and it will return the hashed version of the password. So let's create a variable and input. So the user has to put a password. Then please enter your password. So it will request password from the user. So once the user enters the password, now we are going to call hash password. So I'm going to create another variable and I'll call it encrypted underscore password equal to, so I'm going to call the function we just created, then I'll pass our password to it, then I'll just go ahead and print the encrypted password. So I will save and run the code. Now let's say I'll just put my password 123 and run. Now as you can see, the password has been hashed. Now let me run the code again and try another password. Let me try another password. Let's say my name, and as you can see, it has been encrypted. Now this encryption is very, very important because we are going to be when you create, let's say, a website, you are going to be storing the data, the password of users in the server. So suppose there is a breach and the server was attacked, and hackers actually gained access to your server. Now hashing the password like this, it will be very, very hard for the attacker to see the plain password, and using brute force on this algorithm is very, very computationally expensive. So this is how you hash your password. Now please follow, like and share for more Python tips. Thank you.